Hello folks, you are welcome. Let's solve this question. We are told to find the equation of the tangent to the circle in this form of equation and the point -1, 2. So what are you going to do? Join me. Let's do this. So solution. So assuming this is your circle and you know a circle has what? A center. Good. And this is the tangent which is being given. This is the tangent which is being given. And the point of tangent is given as -1, 2. So -1, 2. Good. Remember, you are asked to find the equation of the tangent. So you are finding the equation of this tangent. And the tangent is a straight line. So you are finding the equation of a straight line. And to find the equation of a straight line, you need what? A gradient. You need a gradient to find the equation of a straight line. So how are you going to find the equation of a straight line? The gradient of a straight line. You also need 2 points. You can't use 1 point to get what? Your gradient. You need 2 points. Meaning the point here, which is the center, is very vital. So we need to find what? The coordinate of what? The center. So to get the point of the center, we can get it through the equation of the circle which is being given. So let's do that to get the center. And with that, we can get the equation of the tangent. Let's do it. So we write the equation of the circle which is being given as x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y. This 15 will move to the left hand side of the equation, becoming 15 equals 0. I'll let you know the reason why I did that. So let's move on. We write our general form of equation of a circle under it, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. After doing that, okay, let me show you the reason why I made the 15 move to the left hand side of the equation. You can't negate 15 because we want it to fit the general form of what? Equation. That's the reason why I did that. Okay. Now let's compare the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. That is what is going to help us get the center. So let's do that. So -2x, we equate it to 2jx. This equal to this. Okay. So x will be out. -2 equals 2j. Divided by 2 divided by 2. So our j will be -1. Now our f, so we are going to compare this. So it will be 4y equals 2fy. So y will be out, so it will be 4 equals 2f. So you divide 2 by 2 by 2, our f will be equal to what? 2. So we have gotten -1 for j and f as what? 2. And remember, to get a center, after doing this, you have to negate the j and negate f. Remember, the center is in the form -j, -f. So when you negate the j, it becomes 1. When you negate the f, it becomes -2. So meaning our center is 1, -2. So after getting this point and this point, you can find what? Your gradient. By using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And our y2 is what? Our y2 is this, which is 2. So this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. Good. So our y2 is 2. So it will be 2 minus y1 is -2, all over x2 is -1, so -1 minus x1 is what? 1. So it will be 4 over -2, which will in turn give us -2. So our m is what? -2. Good. So meaning from here to here, from the center to the point of tangent will give us a gradient of -2. Good. But since we are looking for tangent, so we need a gradient of what? The tangent. So since this line, I've made this one, they are going to form what? Perpendicular. When they form perpendicular, you know that perpendicular lines also, when you want to get, when two lines are perpendicular, when you want to get a gradient, you have to reciprocate it. So you have to reciprocate this to get what? Our gradient. After that, we negate it. So it's negative reciprocation. Good. So you are going to do that. Remember, -2 is the same as -2/1 as in fraction. So when you reciprocate it, let me use this one as the first gradient as M1. So our M2 will be, when you reciprocate this, it will be 1/-2. And remember, we are looking for the negative reciprocal. So we negate this one again and to become what? When we negate this one again like this, it will become +1/2. So our M2 is +1/2. So meaning the gradient of the tangent is 1/2, and the gradient of the center and the point of tangent is what? -2. But in this case, the question says you should find the equation of the tangent, not the center and the point of tangent. So we are going to use the coordinate of what? The tangent, the point of tangent. So the point of tangent here is what? -1, 2, -1, 2. So our point, which is -1, 2. So this is our x1, and this one will be what? Our y1. Good. So to get the equation of the tangent, to write our formula, we are going to use the point slope form. The point slope what? Form, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And you know the gradients of the tangent, which is half. So y minus our y1 is what? 2. Good. Equals, our gradient is 1/2. X minus x1 is what? -1. So -1. Good. Do you get it? Good. So y minus 2 equals 1/2 negative for x plus 1. Good. After doing this, we are going to multiply 2 by 2 to eliminate the denominator. So multiply this by 2, this 10 by 2, and our y also by 2. So 2 will eliminate 2. Good. So 2 times y is 2y minus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 1 times the whole of this will become x plus 1. Now what's our next move? Is to rearrange this and put it in the general form of equation of a straight line. So let's do that. Our x is already positive here, so it will be x, and our 2y will probably become what? -2y. -1 also will probably become what? +4. So it will be +1 plus 4 all equals 0. So our equation becomes x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. So therefore, the equation of the tangent is x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Very simple. So this is our answer. This is our answer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to it